Welcome to the news at whatever time you're watching this at. I'm your host Ed, and this is the no-nonsense news because nobody likes having their time wasted by people who ramble on, never getting to the point where the news is now old and you're just sitting there screaming, come on, give me the flipping news. Comment badges have arrived. You can basically see now who a top commenter is when you log into your YouTube studio. They basically have a little badge next to them. It will show you things like if they're subscribed or if they are a top liker. It's great. For larger channels who can't possibly reply to everyone, they can easily see who their most engaged viewers and subs are and only reply to them. Next up, Smart Replies. This is basically a button you push that's below your viewers' comments that auto answers with something short and generic. Whoop! What a great way to make your channel feel more automated and impersonal. Def gonna use that one. Not. This is probably for big channels, again, who just can't reply to everyone. But I think I'd rather not have a comment than feel like someone didn't care and it was automated. Kind of like having Gmail, where you can just hit a button now and reply with a generic answer. It's really sucking the fun out of and the personal side out of YouTube, that. But whatever, I'm not Mr. YouTube. Next up, Community Tab News. Basically, YouTube is now going to allow you to schedule posts to your Community tab if you have it activated. Now this is great. We wish YouTube would do much more with the Community tab. Surely this is their chance to turn the platform into more of a social media channel. I know Google failed Google+, but just do what everyone else does and copy the features from the other platforms that work. How hard can it be? I mean, if I made a social media platform, it would be called Institute Book Snaptrest, and it would rock. Sign up to it by caressing that like button. So now onto some exciting mobile news. That's not really that exciting, but yeah, okay. They finally added click-through rate to the YouTube Studio app. Brilliant. You can see impressions and clicks. They really need to keep adding to this. There's no better time to check your data than when you're on the loo. Let's face it. I mean, I'm right, aren't I? Another piece of mobile news that I'm loving is they're adding video previews to videos. So instead of a thumbnail, the video kind of starts playing a bit. It does this at the moment on the desktop, but it's finally coming mobile. The cool thing is, you'll get to see the quality of production before you hit on a thumbnail that looks the nuts, but the content doesn't. Oh, but between writing and recording this, we actually started to see these appearing, and well, they don't look great. It really is going to hit people who don't have slicker production. So watch this playlist here to learn how to up your production quality. It's going to start playing a massive part in your click-through rate. And finally, a question. Have you ever brought any merchandise from another creator from below their video? If so, what was it and how much did it suck? Let us know in the comments. And that wraps up the news. If you think you'd like more news from us, hit like. If you hated it, hit like. And if you never want to see my face again, hit like, share and subscribe. The secret code to delete a YouTube channel from the internet forever. And make sure you watch our latest release because it's probably not that bad. No guarantee there though.